Some things to ponder. Manual to marketplace. Xometry reinvented manufacturing procurement as an AI-enabled industrial marketplace. They recognized customers spent weeks manually getting pricing from manufacturers, while manufacturers just struggled to build a pipeline of work. Xometry turned this supply and demand mismatch into a matchmaking intelligence platform with predictive pricing. The result? Revenue grew from 38 million to 546 million. Transaction to subscription. Zuora recognized that its one-time billing process was becoming obsolete in the software as a service era. Instead, they made SaaS billing their superpower by mastering usage tracking, upgrades, downgrades, and pause pricing. The impact: revenue grew from 92 million to 450 million. Noise to intelligence. Clari evolved from a sales forecasting tool into a RevOps platform by capturing what CRMs missed. Activity signals such as email, collaboration, and meetings that indicated account health. This pivot to predictive revenue transformed a $20 million investment into a $2.6 billion valuation before SalesLoft's acquisition. Ready to remove friction? Schedule a discovery session.